Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'll be sharing my quick and easy egg pulao recipe with you all. This recipe is super easy to make and you can just make with few ingredients which are already in your kitchen. So let's check out what all we'll be requiring to make this delicious egg pulao. 500 grams of basmati rice washed and soaked for 30 minutes. 5 boiled eggs, 2 onions thinly sliced. In the spices I'm using 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few whole spices in which I'm using cardamom pods, few black peppers, few cloves and 1 or 2 sticks of cinnamon. 1 lemon, 2 tomatoes chopped and few green chilies slit, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of oil and few coriander chopped for garnishing, and salt as required. To begin with the recipe, what I've done is I've taken a kadhai. Into that I'm adding around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, and into that I'm going to add the boiled eggs and fry them till light golden brown. I've slit the eggs from one side. Alright, my eggs are nice and golden as you can see. Now I'm going to just remove them and keep it aside. Into another pot, what I've done is I've added some oil, around half a cup of oil, and into that I'm going to add the onions, and I'm going to fry the onions till nice and golden brown. So my onion is nicely done, and to this now I'm adding the tomato and green chilies. So now I'm adding salt, so now I'm adding the ginger garlic paste, and fry it till around 1 or 2 minutes. Make sure that you keep your flame on low to fry all these spices. Now just go ahead and add all these spices. Give it a nice mix. Into this now I'm going to add the fried eggs. This will give a nice flavor to the eggs from the outside. So just make sure you coat all the masalas nicely onto the eggs. So now I'm going to add lemon juice, and give it a nice mix. So once you fry this till around 4 to 5 minutes, just go ahead and remove all the eggs and keep it aside. So into the masala now I'm adding water. I'm adding around 500 ml of water. That's around 3 glasses of water. So now I'm just going to let it cook. Alright, so the water has started to boil nicely, and now I'm going to add the rice to it. Mix the rice nicely into the water and allow it to boil without lid. So after around 7 to 8 minutes, the water has started to boil and the rice is cooking nicely. So just go ahead and add few coriander leaves if you want, or mint leaves, and just give it a nice mix. Alright, so now I'm going to cook the rice till all the water dries up. So now all the water has dried up. Now I'm just going to give a light mix with light hands, and I'm going to cover this and cook the rice till it's all done. This will take somewhere around 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, after 10 minutes, I'm going to check on my rice. As you can see, the rice is all done. The steam is coming up. So now what I'm going to do is just with light hands, I'm going to fluff the rice. You can use a fork to fluff the rice, because if you're going to keep the rice for some time, it's going to get sticky or lumpy. So just fluff it with a fork and it will be nice and fluffy. Alright, after doing this, now I'm going to go ahead and add the eggs to it. So here you go. My egg pulao is all done. I'm serving this with some pickled chilies and some papad fry. You can even serve this with some raita or tomato cucumber salad. Choice is all yours. So I hope you like the recipe and do try it and let me know how it came out. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.